guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how you can create a very artistic text effect in Adobe Photoshop CC. So guys, let's jump. I have opened my Adobe Photoshop CC and also I have created my simple document. You can create your document in any size. You can use any color for your background. Everything is up to you. Now I have only one layer, background layer. Time to activate our horizontal type tool, and I will type, surprise, surprise, hello summer. Just because it's July, it's summer. I would like to create something very summery. I don't care about the color for my text. We will be not able to preview any color later on, but I would like to adjust hello word. I will highlight this word. I will jump to my properties panel and I will increase space between my letters, just like that. And I will click OK to accept all changes. Now I will switch to my move tool and I will reposition my hello summer. I will switch to my libraries, and here I have my image I would like to work with today. To add any image from your Creative Cloud library into your opened document, simply click on this image and drag it into your document. Just like this. I will resize it. I don't need to resize, but just in case. And I will click OK to accept this layer. Now I have three layers. One layer is my background layer. Second layer is hello summer text, and third layer is my image. What I would like to do, I would like to apply my image into my text layer. So guys, it's super easy. I have highlighted my top layer, my image layer. I will click and hold my option bar, and I will position my mouse between my two top layers, between my hello summer word and my image layer. When I will see that my cursor change icon to the arrow looking down, I will click on the line between two layers, and voila, that's it guys. I will reposition resize my image layer just to be able to preview everything, just like that. And I will click OK to accept all changes. And voila guys, we have created a very beautiful, very summery text inside Photoshop just with a few simple clicks. This what I wanted to share with you today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share my video, and as usual guys, if you have any questions, please ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you later. Bye bye.